Hey guys, so today I'm going to be installing this towel bar in my master bathroom, so I figured I'd take you guys along for the ride. Hopefully you guys learned something today and save some money in the meantime. My name is Blake, also known as Nailed It here on YouTube. I make videos about DIY and home remodeling. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to be using a stud finder, pencil, screwdriver, tape measure, drill, and a longer level. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is measure up the wall and see how high I want the towel bar to be mounted. For me personally, it'll be 46.5 inches. Next, I'm going to measure between the two mounting brackets on my towel bar to see how wide it is. In this case, it's 31.5 inches. For me, I want the towel bar to be centered. I'll be missing all the studs in the wall, but I think it'll look better. My wall is 56.5 inches wide, so to make it centered, I'm going to have to measure in on either side 12.5 inches. I'm now just going to take my punch and mark the center of my two pencil marks so I can make sure I drill in the correct place. I'm just going to be using the included sheetrock anchors. You can either drill them in yourself or pre-drill them. I have a lot better luck pre-drilling, so I'm just going to be using this 1/4 inch drill bit for that. I like to just screw mine in with a screwdriver just so I don't accidentally break the anchor, and as you can see here, I didn't make my hole big enough, and if I would have kept going, it would have broke off in the wall. If this happens to you, just pull the anchor out and make the hole a little bigger. Now I'll take my level and place it on the center of the sheetrock anchor and put a mark on the other side. So here's the mark I just made, and here's the old mark that we measured before. Now I'm just bringing down the old mark to give me a bullseye spot to drill again. If you guys are enjoying the video, don't forget to nail that subscribe button. Now just install the included brackets on both sides, but make sure you keep the top screw loose for right now. I'm just taking my level and making sure my brackets are still level with each other. Now I'm going to be installing the other two drywall anchors in the bottom of the brackets. Just to make sure I don't strip the drywall anchor, I'm going to be using my screwdriver to tighten it all up and make it nice and straight. My included towel bar holders look like this, and if you look underneath them, they usually have these little screws that hold the bracket onto the wall. In order for them to fit, we need to loosen them and then tighten them once we put it back on the wall. Just double check and make sure you got it on the wall okay, and it should look something like this. Next, take your rod and the other rod holder and insert the rod into the holder that is already on the wall. Then slide the other holder onto the brackets that's on the wall. And for me, well, I messed up a little bit. I got my measurements off and I'm a little bit too far to the right. So instead of redoing the whole thing, I'm just going to be cutting off just a little bit on my rod. Now it fits perfect. If you followed all the steps in the video, then you should have something that looks like this. If that's the case, then congratulations, you nailed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you know the drill by now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll talk to you guys later.